Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can simply create an outline only text effect on the CapCut PC app. So I am just going to select a background. Kind of want to use this one. Okay, I use that one. I'm just going to use this one, it's fine. Then you're just going to simply get a text, add in your default text, and you're just going to type in the word colorful, just the font size, change the font as well. Scroll down and select this one. If you want it to be the other way around, just select this one. I'm just going to choose this one because I want the outline to be white. Here, also adjust the thickness as well if you don't want it to be like super full. Then you're going to go back to media and you're going to add in the same background color as your text. So mine is black. I'm just going to add that to the timeline like so. Then I'm going to select both, right click, create compound clip, and just simply go to blend mode and choose either brighten or screen. If your outline is in a black color, you have to choose the darken one for it. And I think I might adjust the thickness a little bit on this. You can also like have it like that. Don't know if that made sense, but I just like moved it forward to have like this cool effect. And it also works like that. As you can see, it's a pretty cool effect. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!